Hey folks, it's been a while, but today I'm going to be unboxing the new MacBook Air, which I have right here, got today. And although it's been a while, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, and I thank those who have stayed subscribed for this long off period, as I'll be making more videos shortly and in the coming months. So, with that said, let's get into this here because I'm excited. I'm sure you're excited to see it. So here's the box. That's about that. I'll spin it around so you can see all sides. And then this is the back. Just got some boring things to say about it, I'm sure. All right, so this is the 8GB model with the 7-core GPU and 256 gigabytes. Basically, the cheapest you can get in on a Mac, and I think it's a great place to be. Hopefully I feel that way after owning it for a while. So here's it. Here's the box with all the packaging off. It's just the same. Take off the nice top, which is well sealed as you'd expect. It's really taking a while here. I'm impatient, but I'll let it fall for that satisfying effect. There it goes. Alright, so we've got the top off. Pull it out like that. And then just take that off. And I'm left with just my new MacBook. This is very exciting. So that thing looks pretty sleek. You've just got your 3.5mm headphone jack and your 2 USB-C. And that's about that. There it is. I'll open that up in a second, but I'll just finish off this box here. So you've just got some paperwork. I'm sure nothing all that interesting, but I've heard you get some Apple stickers. Looks like you do. So that's good. And just some very simple instructions. I think that's about it. There's something else here too, but I'll explore that on my own later. And then you just have the power brick. I'll unwrap this here. And hopefully with this nice long battery, I won't have to use this too much. But here it is. And my USB-C to USB-C cable. There's that. And I'll actually just take this out now to see how long it is. Looks like a 6-foot cable, because that's about how long my wingspan is here. So, with all of that out, I can open this up, the most exciting part. Alright, so for those of you curious, I took a sec to put all the rest aside, and I'm going to open it up here for the first time. So there's that. It's just got a... Ooh, first time I've heard that in a while. It's got its protective something on the screen here. Looks like I can just pull that off. Looks good. Keyboard feels nice, and there's my new MacBook. This is exciting. All right, so with all that done and with this nice new thing out of the box, thank you all so much for watching. In the coming weeks and months, I will have 2 primary reviews out for this, one for a general consumer kind of perspective, and also one, since I am in software development, one for developers and my experience with that on this device. So with all that said, thank you so much for joining me. And consider subscribing and liking, commenting if you have any questions and so forth.